Hi, today we will see the free AI logo generator. For this, first of all, we will open any browser. Once browser is open in front of you, go to the search bar and now here we will type copilot.microsoft.com. Then Microsoft Copilot will be open in front of you. This is a tool where we can easily create or edit the logos in free. And the logo of this website is very detailed and useful. Once it's open, now here we will go to the prompt, and first we need a good prompt for a good video. For making a good prompt, we will open another tab and now we will open ChatGPT. The URL is chat.openai.com. Once ChatGPT is open in front of you, here we will give a prompt to ChatGPT. My prompt is craft 5 prompts and I can use to create a logo for my video production company. You can use your business name over here. After that, hit the enter button and ChatGPT will start generating. 5 prompts has been generated. We will take any of them. Like that, I am choosing this one. Copy this and go back to Copilot Microsoft and paste over here. Let's check it's complete or not. Yes. Hit the enter button and Copilot is generating our logos. Now you can see our logos has been generated and it is detailed logo from the Microsoft Copilot. If you go to the back side, and now we will see what was our script. The script was design a minimalist logo that combines the concept of a play button and a clapperboard with a clean lines and vibrant red accent representing innovation and creativity in video production. And our logos are exactly like our prompt. After that, go back to the logo and now here, go to the right side and here you will see a button of download. You can also download this logo if you like this one, and if you wanted to customize, then click on customize and new website will start open. The site name is designer.microsoft.com. This is the official website from Microsoft. Once it's open, now you can see this dashboard is also looks like a Canva. If you have used the Canva app, and it will look similar to you. After that, here is the option of filters. If I will go to the light section and decrease the intensity, and in warm, increase the intensity. Now let's look better. After that, now there is an option of remove background. I also need a logo without background, so click on remove background and background will be removed. And I want to put some text below of this logo, so I will just hit to the upper side. After that, after adjusting it, here's an option of text like Canva. Open it, then add a heading, enter your brand name, after writing the name, adjust it over here. After that, click on this one. After that, click on this text option and here you will see a lot of options. I will see lot of options to select. Now this is looking good. After that, we should choose the color, select the text, and here you will see an option of color. Click on it, take this button, and now here you can see your logo has been ready. After that, go to the right top corner and here you will see a button of download. Click on it. Then we will download it as a PNG because logo should be in a PNG file. After that, make background transparent. The background of our logo should be transparent. After that, click on download. It will start downloading. Now it's done. After that, close this window, then open a new tab, and now here we will type vectorizer.ai. Once it's open, here we will drag our logo over here. There is a reason behind it. I will tell it in a few minutes. Once it's done, the reason of putting a logo in this website was that it will create your logo in the detailed and in the PNG file of previous one, you can see there is a problem. Now you can see this is not detailed. So let's go back to Vectorizer AI. Then click on this download button. I will download it as a SVG file. After that, go below and click on done. That was the way how to use free AI logo generator. If you want to learn more about this, please comment in the comment section, and if you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.